Hi guys, this is Manvi Singh. I am a law student of IME Law College and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So the topic is digital forgery. Forgery is the creation of a documents and which one knows is not genuine and yet project the same as if it are genuine. In common parlance, it is used more in terms of affixing somebody else's signature on a document. Digital forgery implies making use of digital technology to forgery a documents, desktop publishing system, and color lasers and inkjet printers, color copies, and images corner unable to crook to make fakes with relatives. Easy of checks laser and ink passports, visa, birth certificate, I card, etc. Now the Indian laws. Section 91 of the Indian Act read with the second schedule amendment the provisions of the IPC in relation to the forgery to include electronic record as well as section 29 A has been interested in the Indian Penal Code to provide for the definition of electronic records. The words electronic records will the same meaning which is assigned to it in section 21 clause 2 of the IT Act. Section 464 of the IPC was amended by the section 91 of the IT Act to include a false electronic record. Under section 446, a person is said to make a false electronic record. So there are two clauses. First one is who honestly or fraudulently makes or transmits any electronic records or part of any electronic records or part of digital signature or any authenticity of the digital signature with the intention of causing it to be believed that such electronic record or post. Now the second one is who without lawful authority dishonestly or fraudulently by cancellation or other alerts an electronic record in any material part therefore after it has been made and executed or affixed with a digital signature either by himself with or by any other person. Now the third one is who dishonestly or fraudulently causes may any person to sign, execute or alert any execution records to affix his digital signature or any electronic knowing that such person by reasoning of unsoundness of mind or to intoxication cannot or that by reason or deception practiced upon him. So now the another one is which is comes explanation to the section 464 has also been inserted which for the purpose of this section provided for the expression affixing digital signature to have the same meaning or assigned to it in section 2 clause 1 clause 2 clause D subclause D 3 of the IT Act. Section 463 of the IPC after amended defines forgery in relation to electronic record as the making of any false electronic record or part thereof with the intent to cause damage or injury to public or to any person or to support a claim or title or to cause any person to part with the property or to entire entry into any expression or implied contract. Section 466 forgery of record of courts or public register etc. Section 468 forgery for purpose of cheating. Section 496 forgery for purpose of harming reputation. Section 470 forged documentation or electronic record. Section 471 using as a genuine forged documents. Section 474 having possession of the document described in section 466 or 460 7. Knowing it to be forged or intended to using it is a genuine. And fourth, section 476, counterfeiting devices or make used for authentic document other than those described in section 467 or possessing counterfeit marked material have also been suitable amended to include electronic records. Thereof, digital forgery and offensive related to it now covered under IPC present to the amendment made by the Act. Convention on the Cybercrime Council in Europe. The Convention on Cybercrime, Article 7, requires the member state to make law or establish as criminal offence when committed intentionally and without right to input, alteration, detention, or suppression of computer data resulting in unauthenticated data with the intent that it be considered act upon for the legal purposes and if be authentic regardless where or not the data is directly readable or intangible. So guys, thank you so much. This was all about this topic. Thank you so much for listening me. Like, comment and share.